Shiba Inu holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. So once again, the Shiba Inu is going to the moon, my friends. Shiba moonshot is ready, and now absolutely if the Shiba Inu start pumping, so you will get profit, my friends. Anyways, before we discuss more about the Shiba Inu, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Now, my friends, at this time the latest price of the Shiba Inu in the market is 0.000009 USD dollar. Absolutely, my friends. From yesterday, the Shiba Inu taken a huge pump, and that's really a good news for all Shiba holders, my friends. Other side, my friends, from the price changes of the Shiba Inu, you can see that now the last 1 hour changes of the Shiba Inu is negative, but the last 1 day, last 1 week changes open the Shiba Inu is positive. Now only the last 60-minute price changes is negative, so don't worry about these changes, my friends. That is a temporary fast, my friends. After some period of time, you can see now at this time the price falls down, and after this falls the price again take a pump, and now again the price falls down, and again they will take a pump, my friends. So don't worry about these changes, my friends. That is the temporary fall. Other side, my friends, if we look the average level changes of the Shiba Inu, so you can see gradually, my friends, and the July, my friends, the Shiba Inu price start explosion gradually, slowly the price is going to increase, and absolutely I'm sure that Shiba Inu will give you good amount of profit in the last of this month, my friends. I'm 100% sure about Shiba Inu token, my friends. Shiba Inu will make you millionaire, and please, I really recommend for all of you to please invest for a long time, my friends, in the Shiba Inu token. Absolutely, if the price increase, so that will make you millionaire. Thanks for watching this video. How do you feel it about the Shiba Inu token? Please share your opinion in a comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.